Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency markets. The last 1 week has seen all coins pumping front, left, and center. Siren has pulled up 168% move to the upside. Rave went on a crazy rally, pumping up by more than 1,600% over the last 1 week. But the last 24 hours has seen a lot of altcoins joining the party, double-digit gains across the board. Look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. The bulls and the bears are battling it out right now. Bitcoin, the king of the currency markets, got to as high as $76,000. Currently trading around $74,000. Ethereum trades around $2,300. But the very, very crucial junction right now, stocks are back at all-time highs. Nasdaq, S&P, all pumping to new all-time highs. Will Bitcoin join next? There's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of crypto? How will that affect the price of all coins? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Let's start with news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin near-term selling pressure after rallies. Bitcoin hits near-term selling pressure after rallies to $76,000. CryptoQuant says Bitcoin could be reaching a temporary ceiling after hitting a multi-month top of $76,000 on Wednesday, with investors moving Bitcoin in bulk to exchanges. And that comes from the fact that Bitcoin is currently hitting its 100-day moving average. The last time Bitcoin hit that moving average was way back in January of 2026. What happened after that was a big dump to gobbling down for Bitcoin, where it lost around 38% of its value. So right now, the bears are expecting Bitcoin to make out a similar move. The general vibe in the cryptocurrency market is that we're going to see lower prices. Sentiment is still in extreme fear, according to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which analyzes emotions, sentiment from different sources and crunches it to one number. A lot of market participants are still in extreme fear, even though that extreme fear level is improving. If you look at what has happened over the last few months, we saw crazy levels of extreme fear in February, where according to the Fear and Greed Index, we got to a level of 5. Right now, according to the Fear and Greed Index, we're in a level of 21. We're almost at neutral territory. Hopefully, we'll get towards green. But the vibes in the cryptocurrency market is down. Market participants are still expecting lower prices. A lot of bears in the market are still expecting us to dump to gobbling town. If you look at liquidation over the last 24 hours, almost the same. The bulls and the bears are battling it out very, very well. The bulls lost $218 million. The bears lost $280 million. That's to tell you how fierce the competition is in the cryptocurrency market. According to CoinGlass data, the last 24 hours has seen 171,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $436 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Binance. A trader was liquidated for $9.71 million. I always tell you guys, be careful out there, guys. The main event is going to come. Easy level is going to come. But right now, if you get liquidated, you have no capital to participate in that easy level. And we're already seeing a lot of altcoins up from Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is up 3.8% over the last 1 week. Ethereum is up 6.4% over the last 1 week. If you look at the general cryptocurrency market, a lot of altcoins are doing way, way better than that. Arbitrum is up 16%. Worldcoin is up 19%. Aave is up 26%. Poco Penguin is up 16%. Arbitrum, Aptos, Pepe, Athena, and the list goes on. A lot of altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin by a lot. I'll still expect that to continue over the next few days. I expect Ethereum to join the party, but then Ethereum too is in 100-day moving average, just like Bitcoin. So there's always that possibility that Ethereum will get rejected, just like Bitcoin, and we'll see another trip down to Goblin Town. The last time Ethereum was trading around its 100-day moving average was in January of 2026, and what followed was a crucial 24 days decline where Ethereum lost 48% of its value. Which, if it happens right now, we'll see Ethereum trading around the $1,000 plus level. If Ethereum dumps another 48%, assuming the bears are right, we'll see Ethereum dumping to as low as $1,100. And the bears thinking Ethereum will dump to Goblin Town comes from what happened in 2022, where we saw Bitcoin First, dump to Goblin Town, consolidate, and then had another dump to Goblin Town before the bottom was in. So I can understand their perspective, where they're thinking that we're going to dump to Goblin Town yet again. But I strongly believe we're going to see a big pump to the upside. And if you see a big pump to the upside, the bears are going to get liquidated. And that big pump to the upside is coming from the fact that Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin is also at its 100-day moving average. I believe Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin over the last few months. And if you look at the yearly perspective, Ethereum is up 66% against Bitcoin over the last 1 year. The next few weeks is going to be very, very crazy. Don't be shocked to see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin by a lot. Don't be shocked to see a lot of market participants start flipping their Bitcoin back into Ethereum as we see Ethereum pump to the upside against Bitcoin. If you take a look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, which currently sits above the $2.5 trillion level. For us to head back to the 100-week moving average for the total cryptocurrency market cap, 100-week moving average for the total cryptocurrency market cap sits around the $2.92 trillion level. That will see the general market pumping up by around 18% from where we are currently trading. News stories going around the market. Tech stocks push Nasdaq S&P 500 to record highs as Bitcoin taps $75,000. Tech stocks hype. Tech stock helps drive the Nasdaq to 24,016 and the S&P 500 to 7,022 as Bitcoin climbed nearly 10% over the past 2 weeks. The stock market has regained back all the losses it made over the last few weeks when we saw US, Iran, and Israel go to war. The stock market is back at all-time highs. Nasdaq is back at all-time highs. Russell is also back at all-time highs. I believe the Dow Jones will also join the party. And I believe crypto will join the party very, very soon. We're already seeing some altcoins showing us signs of life. I don't think this time is different. I believe we're going to see a big, big pump in 2026 for the altcoin market. Maybe not to all-time highs, but I believe altcoins are going to have their own time in the sun. Q2 is turning out to be very, very good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin lost 22% of its value in Q1. In Q2, Bitcoin is already up 9.4%. And in Q1, Ethereum lost 29% of its value. In Q2, Ethereum is already up 10%. Carl Schwab's to roll out spot Bitcoin and Ethereum trading for retail clients. Schwab will introduce direct trading in 2 biggest CryptoQuant dedicated accounts. His first move into spot trading as it expands its digital asset offering. Tom Lee says the mini crypto winter is over. He sees Ethereum over $60,000, which is very, very outrageous if you ask me. That's equivalent of saying Bitcoin is going to $1 million, so very, very soon. While it might get there in the future, I don't think we're going to see that in 2026. Bitmain chairman Tom Lee told Paris Blockchain Week that the recent crypto slump was a mini crypto winter and that Ethereum could climb above $60,000 over the next few years. I can't really argue with that. I believe Ethereum has a potential to rally that high over the next few years. More news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Ex-Treasury chief warns of US bond crash, calls for contingency plan. Stablecoin issuer cycle faces lawsuits over $280 million Drift protocol hack. Brought you that news last week. Drift protocol was hacked for over $280 million, and right now lawsuits are flying front, left, and center. Key Ethereum researcher just tagged to leave the Ethereum Foundation. Kalshi appeals, prediction markets fight could head to the US Supreme Court, and higher plans a $75 million raise to fund AI infrastructure push. Sentiment is still down in the cryptocurrency market. There's still a lot of extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market. We're seeing a lot of altcoins perform over the last 7 days. Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, XRP, BNB, Solana, the top 10. Almost all the top 10 coins are in the positive over the last 7 days, with sentiment slowly improving in the cryptocurrency market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. We're still expecting that Bitcoin dominance dump, which will see all coins pumping aggressively to higher price. Which all coins are you buying? How high do you see Bitcoin going in 2026? We've seen the stock market head back to all-time highs. The S&P has pumped back to all-time highs. The Dow Jones Transportation Index has pumped back to all-time highs. The Russell is also near all-time highs. Do you see Bitcoin heading back to all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, not to pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.